Welcome back, folks. Today we're gonna plant some seeds, repurpose some green onion, a lettuce update, and we'll check on them every couple days to see how they're doing. I need to put something in the system once this lettuce is ready. So we're gonna plant some watercress, some basil, and we're gonna do some microgreens. We'll do some alfalfa. This is a brick of cocoa coir you can get at your local hardware store. I'm just gonna break off a little piece. So I'll break off a piece and we'll get that ready. Now that we got our piece, I'm gonna put it in this little bucket. Add some water. Give it a few minutes for it to soak up all that water. And then after that, go ahead and break it up. Now we're gonna go fill our containers. We're gonna repurpose and use a bunch of old containers we got laying around the house. So all we're gonna do is fill them up. This is gonna be for the watercress and the basil. And once they get big enough, these will be going in the hydroponic system. These are for the microgreens. Alfalfa. Okay, folks, all we're gonna do is spread out these alfalfa seeds. I like them pretty dense. I like a nice thick bunch. Put in my sandwich. Okay, this I'm gonna put half basil and half watercress. And again, this is for the hydroponic system. Okay, that should be good. Okay, we'll give them a spritz of water. All we do is soak them down. Give them a good watering. And that's it. Leftover green onion, which usually people just throw away. So my wife puts them in this little thing of water. As you can see, some of the roots are starting to grow just from having them in that little cup of water. I'm gonna drop this in the system. They grow real good and we use them a lot in our cooking. All we're gonna do is put them in bunches of 3 or 4. I'm gonna put a rubber band on, just like that. Ready to go in the system. Now all we're gonna do is drop them in. There's about a 1/4 inch of water on the bottom of these rain gutters that flow from there down to here, back into the tote. Now we'll check back on these in a couple days and we'll see how they do. We're just gonna set these guys right here. Okay, folks, it's day 40 for the lettuce. And day 2 for the sprouts and green onion. It's day 42 for the lettuce. Everything is looking awesome. And day 4 for the sprouts and the green onion. They're looking fantastic. It's day 44 for the lettuce. And day 6 for the sprouts and the green onion. We'll be checking back on the lettuce, microgreens, and green onion, so don't forget to catch the next episode of the Indoor Grow series. Thanks for watching.